we'll take up standard deviation, which is used with the help of std std function. Alright, now std function is used to create standard deviation. Alright, so let's say we have how many matrices? We have two matrices, V and V1. So let us calculate standard deviation for V, which is 7.1024, and let us calculate the standard deviation for V1, which is 2.58. Alright, just experimenting one thing. Alright, so variance, we can also calculate variance. Using dot var, we can similarly calculate variance for, excuse me, using V1. Now, if we do what, if we take this up and basically take the square of it, calculate it square. So what it will give us? It will give us the same answer, 6.6. It is giving us the same. If we basically take this up 7.1024 and calculate it square, it is going to give us the same output as it is giving this one. So variance is the square of standard deviation. So the formula for standard deviation is whole under root summation of x minus x bar whole square divided by, just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Alright, divided by n. So this is what the formula for standard deviation is. And variance is what? Square of standard deviation becomes variance. Alright, square of standard deviation becomes variance. So we'll do what? We'll basically erase the square root. So this will become our variance. Alright, this will become our variance. Alright. This becomes our variance. Alright, so if we underroot it, it will become our standard deviation. Square it, it becomes a variance. Alright, so this is what it is. So shall I cut this out, clear this drawing, clear this formula? Now we'll see how standard deviation is calculated. Let us take standard deviation of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let us take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, now we'll do what? We'll calculate standard deviation. Now what was the formula? Let us recollect the formula. X minus x bar. X bar is what? X bar is the mean of x. And x is what? Set of discrete data points or row values. This is what x signifies. N is your total number of row entries, followed by whole under root. So this is what a formula says. So first we'll do what? We'll go according अरे यार, right. We'll go according to the formula. First, we'll calculate mean of x, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Total number of elements are how many? 5. 15 divided by 5. We'll calculate the mean, that is, it will be equivalent to 3. So our x bar is equivalent to 3. X bar is equivalent to 3. X minus x bar, alright, minus 2. So x minus x bar, 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 3 minus 3 0. 4 minus 3 1. 5 minus 3 2. Next will be our what? Next will be our x minus, according to the formula, x minus x bar whole square. X minus x bar whole square. Alright. So this is what our formula is, summation of. So minus 2 square will become 4, 1 square will minus 1 square will become 1. 0 square will remain 0, 1 square will become 1. 2 square will become 4, and summation of it will be equivalent to 10. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10. Now total number of elements are how many? 5. So 10 divided by 5 under root, equivalent to under root 2. And under root 2 is what? Under root 2 is equivalent to 1.414. 1.414. So this is what the standard deviation of x is. That's how we calculate standard deviation.